Hey there, DIYers and garage warriors. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool tools and inventions that will take your garage game to the next level. From organization to functionality, these tools are must-haves for your ultimate garage setup. Let's roll. Number 1. If you're someone who loves an organized workspace or needs your tools handy for DIY or garage projects, the Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer might just be your best friend. It's a 3-piece system made of durable yet lightweight resin construction, which makes it super easy to handle and perfect for home use. This setup comes with a cart, a toolbox, and a small parts organizer, and the way it all interlocks is just brilliant. It's like having your own mobile workshop that you can customize based on what you need. One of the best parts is the audible snap when you close the latches, so you know your stuff is secure. Plus, the metal telescopic handle, with 7-inch wheels and sturdy side grips, makes moving it around your garage or even taking it to a job site a total breeze. It's designed to be portable and easy to roll wherever your next project takes you. The transparent polycarbonate lid on the small parts organizer is a nice touch, too. It gives you a clear view of your screws, nails, or smaller tools at a glance. All in all, this system is a game changer that keeps your tools sorted and accessible. Number 2. If you're into DIY or work around cars, the Auto Dynasty 40-inch mechanic creeper is a solid companion. Made from high-density polyethylene, it's lightweight but incredibly sturdy, so it can handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. What's great about it is its impact-resistant construction, which makes lying on it super comfortable. Plus, it has an integrated carry handle that makes lifting, moving, or positioning it simple and hassle-free. The creeper comes with 6 heavy-duty swivel casters, built to glide smoothly across different surfaces, whether it's concrete or garage floors. These casters are designed to resist oil, grease, and chemicals, so you don't need to worry about wear and tear in demanding workspaces. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds and dimensions of 40 by 19 inches, it provides enough space and support for pretty much anyone to use comfortably. Its ergonomic design takes things a step further. The padded headrest gives your neck some relief, and there are 2 molded-in tool trays that keep your tools within arm's reach while you're lying down. Whether you're sliding under a car or working on projects, this creeper has got you covered for comfort and efficiency. It's built for the job and built to last. Number 3. If you're looking for a mechanic stool that can keep up with your garage projects, the VEVOR Mechanic Stool is a game changer. It glides effortlessly thanks to its 4-inch rubber casters, which include 2 with brakes for stability. These wheels handle bumps with ease, rotate 360 degrees, and roll smoothly even on concrete floors. They're designed to be quiet and won't damage your floor, making them a real standout. Comfort is another big win here. The stool features a thick, soft sponge cushion that lets you work for hours without strain. Its curved design wraps around your body, encouraging a relaxed posture. At 15.4 inches tall, it's just the right height to let you work efficiently without bending over too much. Plus, keeping it clean is quick and hassle-free. This stool doesn't just roll, it helps you stay organized too. It's got 3 storage trays, 2 partitioned with slots, so your tools stay secure even as you move. There's even a pull-out tray for extra storage, making your tools easy to grab. Built with a steel base and sturdy materials, it supports up to 300 pounds and resists rust, keeping its shape through heavy-duty use. This stool is all about comfort, durability, and efficiency. Number 4. Imagine a work platform designed to lift your game in any garage or workshop. The KINGRACK Folding Work Platform is built tough out of high-quality plastic and aluminum, making it rock-solid and dependable. With a wide 12.2-inch foot platform, you've got plenty of room for your feet, and thanks to 4 anti-slip covers and a secure locking mechanism, stability is guaranteed when you're reaching high or handling heavy tools. This isn't just any ladder. With a heavy-duty design supporting up to 330 pounds, it's perfect for tackling major projects, from cleaning vehicles and fixing up your car to washing windows and working in the garden. Portability isn't an issue either. The platform folds neatly to save space and is lightweight enough to move wherever you need it. When unfolded, its dimensions offer a safe surface with a unique slip-preventing design that keeps your footing steady even during harsh tasks. Built for versatility, it's ideal for car repair shops, workshops, or warehouses, and even holds your tools with pedal-friendly holes to prevent water buildup. The KINGRACK platform offers a reliable, efficient solution to all your maintenance challenges, making it a must-have in your toolkit. Absolutely, a game changer for every craftsman. Number 5. If you're looking for a versatile workbench that adapts to your style, the 60-inch adjustable workbench is built to deliver. It measures 60 by 24 by 29.7 inches, and its height can be easily adjusted from 29.7 to 39.4 inches to suit your chair or the project you're handling. The sturdy steel frame ensures each adjustment feels solid and secure, enabling you to work comfortably whether you're tackling Messier repairs or finer detail tasks. The bench is designed to be portable, featuring 4 casters with locks that let you roll it around without dragging or straining. Whether you're moving it indoors or taking it to an outdoor workspace, repositioning is smooth and hassle-free. For those who need power on the go, the built-in power strip comes with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports, making it easy to keep your tools, lamps, and devices right at your fingertips. Its simple yet robust design makes it ideal not only for workshops and garages, but also for offices, home studios, or any space where functionality meets style. Plus, with clear, easy-to-follow assembly instructions, you'll have it up and running quickly. Number 6. A seasoned RV enthusiast understands the importance of a level trailer, and the RVMATE RV Leveling Blocks deliver just that. When parking on uneven ground, these blocks provide a stable platform that keeps your camper secure and steady. Each leveling block measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 1.5 inches, while the top blocks are slightly thinner at 8.5 by 8.5 by 0.75 inches. What makes this set appealing is its stackable design, allowing you to add about an inch of height with each block until you achieve the perfect level. Crafted from high-density, reinforced material, these blocks are built to withstand even rough conditions. Their interlocking design ensures that they remain securely in place as you work, without the fear of shifting. They are compatible with single wheels, double wheels, hydraulic jacks, tongue jacks, stabilizer jacks, and fifth-wheel jacks, making them a versatile solution. The complete kit includes 10 standard blocks, 2 top blocks, and a convenient carrying bag for easy transport and storage. With these leveling blocks, setting up your RV or trailer becomes straightforward and stress-free, ensuring every journey feels secure and hassle-free. Trust this reliable system to keep your adventures smooth and enjoyable. Every trip is worry-free. Number 7. The Traxion New Quality Economy Topside Creeper 3-106 is built to handle your toughest automotive tasks with ease. Made with robust construction, this creeper features expanded metal steps that offer secure entry and exit, making it simple to transition on and off during repairs. Its adjustable height allows you to set the platform at just the right level for your vehicle, ensuring that you work comfortably without straining your back. The padded deck adds extra cushioning, so long jobs feel a bit less like a chore, while the integrated Velcro stomach pads with tool loops keep your essentials right where you need them. With 4 swivel casters, moving the creeper to your exact work spot is smooth and hassle-free, and 2 of the casters lock in place to give you maximum stability when you're ready to dive into a project. Designed to support up to 350 pounds, this unit offers a strong, dependable base, even when you're using it for heavy-duty tasks. And when you're finished, it folds away neatly, saving on space in your garage. For anyone who spends time under a car or truck, this creeper delivers practicality, enhanced comfort, and efficiency every step of the way. Number 8. The SYLSTAR 40-watt Rechargeable Work Light is a true powerhouse for any garage, workshop, or job site. It delivers an impressive 4,000 lumens of brightness that is perfect whether you need to focus on detailed tasks or light up a large area. With 5 brightness modes available, you can adjust the light to exactly match your needs. The design is exceptionally versatile, featuring 2 adjustable side lights that fold back up to 350 degrees, alongside a main light that rotates 90 degrees vertically and 360 degrees horizontally. This means you can direct the light exactly where you need it, from tight spaces to broad work zones. The strong clamp and built-in magnets let you securely attach the light to any metal surface, while the additional screw hole offers further mounting options. Portability is a key feature with its ergonomic handle that makes it easy to carry. Powered by a 4,400 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, this work light provides between 3 to 9 hours of runtime based on the brightness setting. It also functions as a power bank for emergency phone charging. With an IP65 waterproof rating, This work light is built to perform under any weather, making it an essential tool. Number 9. If you're tackling tire repairs or routine maintenance, the VEVOR Manual Tire Bead Breaker is a tool you can really count on. It's designed to work with tires measuring between 38 and 42 inches, making it ideal for cars, trucks, tractors, ATVs, UTVs, and even heavy-duty tires. This tool stands out with its upgraded rubber pad on the front paw, which grips firmly while protecting those sensitive aluminum alloy hubs without needing any extra leather padding. Constructed from durable number 45 heat-treated steel, it gives you a robust feel and is built to last. The design integrates a screw, spindle, and front paw for added stability, and the rust-resistant electrophoresis finish ensures you'll be using it for years to come. Operating it is straightforward, a simple two-step process. First, use your open wrench, impact wrench, or air ratchet to adjust the front paw until it locks onto the hub securely. Then, adjust the drive screw to apply steady pressure through the telescopic foot until the tire separates. Weighing only 11.5 pounds, it's compact and easy to move around, making storage in your garage or transport between job sites a breeze. This bead breaker brings efficiency and versatility to every tire-changing task. Number 10. The Powerbuilt Billy Club Universal Lug Wrench is designed to be exactly the type of versatile tool you need for maintenance work on virtually all passenger vehicles. It features a universal design that fits both SAE and metric lug nuts, ensuring compatibility with nearly every car on the road today. Its patented sliding socket drive head provides up to 60% more leverage, making it easier and faster to loosen or tighten lug nuts. By allowing you to position the head in the center, it boosts efficiency, especially when facing stubborn bolts. The wrench is also versatile and portable, complete with 2 double-ended universal sockets and a 3-inch extension bar, giving you the flexibility to tackle various jobs. Convenient storage is built into the design. Both the sockets and the extension bar can be neatly stored inside the handle, so you never have to worry about misplacing them. Constructed from robust steel, this tool is quality built and crafted for years of dependable use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast working on your own car, this lug wrench provides the performance and reliability you need to get the job done right every time. Truly, it's a winner tool. Number 11. Whenever you're dealing with loose nails, tacks, or tiny metal shavings around your workshop or garage, the Toolwiz Magnetic Pickup Sweeper 17-inch heavy-duty magnet pickup lawn sweeper becomes your best friend. This tool is built to handle up to 8.8 pounds, efficiently clearing small ferrous metal objects without any fuss. Its 17-inch width makes it ideal for tight spaces, whether you're working in a small workshop, cleaning up your yard, or even tidying under the car. The adjustable telescopic handle stretches from 15 inches to 39 inches, giving you the perfect height to work comfortably and protect your back from bending too much. Upgraded 3-inch rubber wheels roll smoothly on various surfaces like concrete, carpet, grass, or hardwood floors, so you can push or pull it with ease. Its lightweight design means you can maneuver it into hard-to-reach corners or slide it under furniture effortlessly. This magnetic sweeper not only reduces cleanup time, but also helps keep your space safe from stray metal bits. Practical, portable, and incredibly handy, it turns a tedious chore into a quick and efficient task, making it an essential tool for any practical workshop or garage setup. Trust it, it makes life easier. Number 12. When you're out on the road and need to change a tire fast, the STANDTALL electric car jack kit is a real lifesaver. This electric jack, with a weight capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, effortlessly lifts your vehicle within a range from 5.9 to 17.7 inches. Its self-locking design ensures your car stays securely in place, while the painted steel body resists rust and holds up under heavy-duty use. Operating it is straightforward. Simply press a button and watch the jack rise or lower automatically, while the built-in pressure gauge keeps you informed every step of the way. The all-in-one kit includes not only the car jack, but also an automatic air pump and an electric impact wrench, making it versatile enough for roadside emergencies or even routine at-home repairs. Accessories like a safety hammer, a plastic case, a 3.5-meter power cable, battery clamps with wire, gloves, and a user manual round out the package, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. With safety features that automatically stop the jack at its height limit, you can work confidently knowing that you're using a reliable, durable tool. Absolutely a top tool.